Anushka Das and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make another type of flower which can be called as a tulip, and as I have promised that I will bring 3 more methods. So this is the second method. Please check out my YouTube channel named Anushka Das for the first one which I have shooted. So this one is the second and it is the tulip. This one is a reuse craft, and so I think we should get started with it. So this one uses a half paper plate, and if you want to have a look, it's the white paper plate. I've cut it into half. So this is the one which I'm making, with which I'm making. Of course I need a stick. I'm using real sticks over here, some glue, Fevigum, Fevistick, whichever is useful, and or Allfix. Here I'm using mainly Fevigum and Allfix. Allfix is a very good glue and I always prefer people to use it as it can stick anything. So it's a paper plate and some glues. Of course, and also you need a yellow paper strip. It can be of any length, or of course it should be, I'll tell you the length when the video or when I start making. So this is all we need. Of course we might need some sellotape. So let's get started. First I'll show you how to make the flower. So here we'll fold this like this. So this is the flower, and now we'll insert the stick like this and till a length, till here, like this, and I'll hold it, and then I'll tighten the grip, so like this. Now what I'll do is stick this part. I'm using Fevigum now, so I'll apply glue. I'll apply glue over here and stick it. See, I've stuck it, and now comes the work of this. This should be the length of should be equal to the length of the stick which is inside or can be viewed. See, the part of the stick that can be viewed, it should be at least the length of the stick that can be viewed, right? So what I'll do is take the length and stick this. Some glues don't work on wood because of course it has its natural elements, and of course it is not paper or some glues don't work on wood, so better find out a glue that works. I have not yet tried Fevicol as it is, I cannot get it as the stock has not arrived, but I'll try it. And now I've got the length, so this one, this much. Now I'll fold this and seal like this. I'll seal the whole thing, right? Like this. I've tightened it and also the above part. Now I'll cut this part. But leave some. Stupid. This one is not of use to us now. Yeah. So this one now we'll just put it through. Yeah. See, so now it looks like a real tulip. I've made 2 others of it too. See, this one has a straw, so reuse. It is fully reused. This is the paper plate, this is the straw, and this of course is the chart paper. Anyways, I have also made this out of real stick, and so here are 3 of my tulips. I like the color white, so I have specially made tulips white in color. So I hope you liked it, and I think I need to say goodbye to you now. And as promised, I'll bring 2 more methods of flower making, of course with paper, and the next flowers which I am making will look a bit similar, and but the process they vary, so both the methods will be put together in one video. So don't forget and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I post my new video mentioning the two methods of making normal basic flowers. This one was a tulip, and in my channel, if you go visit my channel, you'll also see I've made dahlias, daisies. I've made daisies, so please watch the daisies videos too, and like this video and subscribe to my channel and share it with anyone whom you think will find this useful. Till then, bye.